Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. This morning we are in Baguio City. As you can see, it's a perfectly clear day, which is great because it rains a lot here. But luckily this time of year is the one time of year where the weather is actually decent. Baguio City is about 1 mile up in elevation, so the temperatures are cooler than the rest of the Philippines. Right now it's about 60 or 65 degrees, which I haven't felt in months, so I'm very happy for that. Across the street and behind those trees is the condo I am staying at. It is called Mega Tower, one of the closest condo units to the main part of Baguio. That's the reason I wanted to stay here. So we're gonna take a walking tour of the city center, Session Road. Session Road is one of the main roads in Baguio. So yeah, Baguio is a very, very hilly city. Well, it's up in the mountains, obviously. So we'll check some stuff out along the way. So in Baguio City, you have your typical Western stuff: Dunkin' Donuts, 7-Eleven.
Hello, sir.
Good morning. We got this very beautiful church over here, Our Lady of the Atonement Cathedral, Baguio. A lot of stairs here. I gotta be careful. Such a beautiful day. Well, shit, look at that sign. No cursing or cussing or using profane and foul language to anyone. Cursing is forbidden here in Baguio. Well, that is just bullshit. Oops. I guess I'm going to jail. Anyways, there is Jollibee. You find that in any Filipino city. And as with most Filipino cities, there is the traffic. So I'm glad I'm on foot this morning. It's already busy. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. And there's a lot of people out. Mercury Drug. Very popular this morning. So Baguio does have its locals type of mall. So right there. In another video I showed you guys around where I show you guys around? Showed you guys around SM Mall, which is the only Western style mall here. We're gonna try to cross the street. See how well that works. Kind of like Vietnam, you kind of just have to start walking out there and hope for the best. There we go. I'm still alive. Life is good. All right. taxis here. Grab car is not available here, so it's just basically taxis and jeepneys. Now Baguio is one of the only places where I will ride a jeepney, and I'll probably do a video on that. My biggest problem with the jeepneys is the heat. You're squished in together with 15 other people, and the heat is just crazy. But up here in Baguio City, you don't have to worry about that. The heat is not an issue. So across the street, I don't know if you can see it, next to that Jesus Christ sign, there's a Starbucks. So you can get your Seattle coffee here. It's not a big deal. A lot of restaurants along this strip. Very busy at night. Last night I was out here and it was so busy. I mean, foot traffic is a lot more here because the temperature is just so much better. So much better. Sizzling plate. Well, you can get a T-bone here. Might have to check that out. Usually steaks are not that great in Asia unless they're imported from the States or Australia or New Zealand. Alright, some of the buildings here are quite beautiful. This is not like your typical Filipino city. I mean, this is very nice compared to most. So, as you can see, there's another Jollibee across the street. People are crazy about their chicken here, so I even enjoy their spicy chicken. Their spicy chicken's pretty good. I don't know if you guys see up there, but there's a advertisement for Jollibee Chowking. That sweet and sour chicken is pretty good and pretty cheap too. Oh, we get to cross another street. Lucky us. An example of a Filipino type hotel, the Prime Hotel. Yeah, this is all going downhill, by the way, so I would not be doing this video going the other way. Probably end up taking a taxi to head back up to SM Mall later on. There's a tattoo joint, internet cafes. The internet cafe is kind of dying here. It used to be very, very popular. You'd see one on every block. But now with smartphones, your average Filipino has a smartphone now, so there's not much reason to go to the internet cafe to get on the internet. You can just do it at home. McDonald's, gotta have your Big Mac. And another Jollibee. That's the third one in just this video. We're only 9 minutes in, 10 minutes in. Alright. So this is a good breaking point. What I'm going to do, I'm going to split this walking tour up into different videos. So this is the end of video 1. I will see you guys in video 2 for a continuation of this walking tour. Thanks for watching Asia Unscripted.